Today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways to make money with AI. Not only am I going to show you how easy this method is, I'll share with you proof. I'll also share with you some of my own results, and then I'll share with you exactly how you can do all of this yourself, because it definitely isn't difficult. And in terms of this, in terms of difficulty for this, it's probably one of the more easier and simpler ways to make money online and from home. And how do I know that? Well, we've been sharing content since 2017 for different ways to make money online and from home. So let me go over to the website and I'll show you this, and we'll basically walk through the process. So the website I'm going to share with you today is this one over here. Now this is called Futurepedia.io. Now this website over here is huge, and at this moment in time you can see we have got in total 1,181 AI tools on here. And literally what this Futurepedia does is every time a new piece of software has been launched into the marketplace related to AI, it will put that information on here. So you can find things which are literally just launched, and you can also find popular pieces of AI software and lots more. It's awesome, it really is. But if we come on here, we can scroll down and just have a quick look at this. So we can see this piece of AI software is currently $39 a month. This one over here, this ChatGPT, that everyone's raving about, personally I don't think it's that great, is $20 a month. And then we can scroll down here. They've also got, let me show you this as well, they've also got a newsletter which is somewhere right in front of me, over here, look. So they send out a weekly email with new AI software which is launched into the marketplace. So I'd definitely go ahead and subscribe to that. It's free. So when we come over onto this website here, we can see all of these different AI softwares for art, audio, avatars, code assistant, copywriting. There's lots in here, okay? And you can come through and have a look at these. But what you want to be focusing on, if I just go back over here, is something like this, where it's got a monetary amount on here. Scroll further on the page here. I mean, a lot of these are free, but what we can actually go ahead and find is predominantly if you come up here and come into the copywriting tab, this is where you can make some really good money with this. So like you can see here, Marketing Blocks AI, this costs $57 a month. This one over here, this Ad Creative, $29 a month. And there's, as you can see, look, Jasper over here, $40 a month. So I'll share with you an actual example of this. So you see this one over here, this Jasper, okay? So this is basically, it creates content 10 times faster with artificial intelligence. Jasper is the highest quality AI copywriting tool, and they also offer a free trial. So if I click on here, it will take me over to their website, okay? Okay, so the first thing to note here is if we look at the top, we've got the name of the software, Jasper.ai. Then we've got a forward slash and a question mark, and then it says source. And then you can see here quite clearly says partner equals Futurepedia. So guess what? This over here is an affiliate website, which sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? They've got all of this on here, but basically they're showcasing this AI software. If anybody clicks on these links, then the owner of that website will earn an affiliate commission, which is pretty awesome to say the least. Now, if we scroll down here, you can have a look about what the software is, how it all works, and basically all of the good stuff. But this is not how we make the money. The part where we make the money is exactly like what they're doing here, but in a different way. So we set it up here, they've got this affiliate link, which basically means you can partner up with a company like Jasper or any one of these other ones whereby they offer an affiliate program. And I'll show you how simple this all is, okay? So if I come back over here to Jasper, okay? So I am an affiliate for Jasper. I have used it for a number of years and I've recommended it in a couple of different YouTube videos, and it's awesome, okay? But basically, let me show you some earnings. So if I come over here, they have an affiliate program. Look, you can see, look, ready to promote the hottest new SaaS tool. And how you find if any of these softwares have an affiliate program is very simple, is you go over to the home page. So if I come here like this, scroll down to the bottom, you'll always see something like this here, affiliate partners or affiliate login or something like that. And basically what you do is you create an account to become an affiliate for that piece of software. Then you get given your own unique tracking. I was going to say AI. You get given your own unique link, okay? And what that means is instead of it saying up here source equals partner Futurepedia, it could be your name or whatever you decide to go with. But in terms of this, let me just show you this. I'll come on to here and I'll show you this. So you can see here, we've got the date down here. I'm going to obviously block out the customers, but you can see here, 28th of February, which was yesterday, I earned $89. 28th of February, I earned $17. 26, $8, $8, 8, 8, 35, 89. This one down here, 17, and literally, look, if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is page 1, obviously 23, but if I come over here and click on the last page, this is going back to 2021 when I first, I started using it and recommending it, okay? So I've earned, well over a couple of $1,000s from this affiliate program over here. Now, if I come back over onto this website, this is the method. This is how we use this free tool to make money. We come over onto Futurepedia like this, and we're looking for basically different softwares and tools that we can become an affiliate for. So if I just come back, let me just go back to the home page, okay? And this is how we would do it. So I'm going to scroll down here. Now, I'm not going to go with ChatGPT because it would be extremely difficult for this, but we scroll down and we have a look at this. So like this one here, for example, Marketing Blocks AI, we can see it currently costs $57 a month. So let's just use this as an example, but you can see on here, look, there's lots more of these, $9 a month, $8, come down here, $29, all of these, okay? So we basically go on to any one of these, okay? And all we're doing here is a little bit of research. So if I take Marketing Blocks as an example, okay? I open it up, it tells me about this. So when it was added, about the paid plans. Paid plans have also got free accounts, so again, that's another option for you. And then it also shares with me, other examples. Well, let's come over to the website and have a look at this. Now we can see on here, it'll tell you about the software. You can watch all of this, and I'd recommend you do. But basically, the first step is we scroll to the bottom, and we are seeing it. Blimey, they've got a lot of stuff in here, haven't they? All of this stuff in here. But we need to know if they have an affiliate program. So let's scroll down to the bottom. Have they got an affiliate program? Can't see one on the page there. So this is taking me over to the sales page. So all is not lost here. Another thing that we can do is we can take this, and I'm going to search Google, and I'm going to put in affiliate program like this. And this is all I'm doing here, look. Scroll down here, let's have a look. Become an affiliate partner for Browse AI. Marketing Block, look, here we go. JV Partners launch. So we click on there, and then I can find out all of the information about this. So look, promote the #1 AI marketing SaaS, win MacBooks and other gadgets. All sounds great, doesn't it? And they even give you promo tools up here. Let's scroll down. And basically, it will tell us about the actual products. We can find out information about this. So we can see 20 pages, 20 in-1 AI tools. And all I'm doing is I would go through this process and sign up to become an affiliate, okay? And a lot of the information on the page here, you could potentially use this. So you can see on here, look, get your affiliate link, swipes, bonuses, and other promo material. Click here. And you can promote this on Thrivecart and JVZoo. So I click on here, and then look, it takes me over to, this is known as a JV doc, okay? You don't always get this, but a lot of the time you will. So if I scroll down here, we can see, let's come down here, look, we've got demo videos, we've got webinars for this. This is pretty cool. Email swipes, ads and graphics, bonuses. They're even giving you bonuses that you can offer if somebody signs up or takes a free trial with your own affiliate link. And there's lots more on here. But basically, we'll look, affiliate links. So if I click on here, it will take me over to Thrivecart. And if I click down here, look, JVZoo affiliate links, it will take me over to that platform. So if I was to click on here now, it opens up into a new tab, takes me over here, and I can apply, look, sign up and register with Thrivecart to start promoting this product, okay? So this is the process. A lot of these, it would be a bit simpler. They normally do have the affiliate partners down at the bottom, okay? But once you've gone ahead and you've got your affiliate link and you've signed up to this, the next step in this whole process is we need to find out whether there are people actually, searching for this product. Is there, enough traffic out there to be beneficial to us to spend some time on this? Because essentially, we spend a bit of time in the beginning doing this work, and then what happens is, because as you've seen over here on this one, it is a monthly recurring payment. So you can potentially do the work once for something like this. Somebody signs up to this, and then guess what? They continue paying each and every single month. I've got some people over in Jasper that I recommend back in 21, and even now, 2 years later, I'm still earning an affiliate commission from work I've done previously. It's awesome. It's without a doubt one of the best methods that I always recommend to people is passive income and affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's come over here. So we know about the software, we know we can promote it, so now we need to know about the search term. So Marketing Blocks AI. So what I'm going to do on here is I'm just going to type in Marketing Blocks AI, and I'm going to hit on the search enter on the search bar. Now I can see the search volumes down here. Okay, now to get this, there is a piece of software which is this one over here, and it's called Keywords Everywhere. Come down here like so. Let's go to Keywords Everywhere. Now this piece of software over here, it's incredibly cheap. It's literally, I'll show you the pricing for this really quickly. It costs $10 and it gives you 100,000 credits, okay? And one credit is basically a search on Google. Now, I definitely recommend this. You don't have to go down this route, but by using this piece of software over here, you will be able to see how many people are searching for this every single month. So we can see Marketing Blocks AI, 90 people a month are actually searching for this on Google and YouTube, okay? And we can see we've got different search volumes up here. This again is from Keywords Everywhere. And then if I scroll down here, we can see, look, Marketing Blocks Review, 140 people a month are searching for that. Marketing Blocks Price, 0. Marketing Blocks Unlimited. And then basically all I'm doing here is I'm just scrolling down to see if there's any different keywords whereby I could, create content for this and then start earning a passive income. So if I click on Marketing Blocks Review, like so, scroll down here, we can see we have got a YouTube video on here. We've got a couple of YouTube videos. Have we got any articles? So we've got this one here, and I mean that's a LinkedIn article. So looking at this, Marketing Blocks Review, these are all business news. But all we're doing here is, once we've figured out whether there is an AI software that we're going to promote with an affiliate link, we're looking to see whether there is a decent amount of search traffic going into this each month, and realistically how easy it is going to be for us to create content. In terms of the content, we can do this in so many different ways. We can create YouTube videos, we could create a free website on Google and write an article about this, this piece of software. We can do TikTok videos, we can do on-screen, off-screen. There's lots of different ways that you can do this. Personally, I'd say YouTube is an easy way to do this, because what you can do is when people are searching for, Marketing Blocks Review, or even just this Marketing Blocks AI, like so, they just want to learn a bit more about this. So if you was to go over to this Marketing Blocks and sign up and get a free account, you can literally just do a screen recording, walking through, literally walking people through the process of, what it is inside of the software, how the software works, and basically just using it. And that's all I did with this Jasper software over here. I did a couple of YouTube videos where I showed people the inside of the software, how simple and easy it is to use, and literally I put a link in the description, and I also put a link in the comment section for people to go and take a free trial. Now the thing I would say as well is, when you are going down this method, look for companies who offer a free trial, because that's one of the easiest ways to get people, it's known as the foot in the door method. People try it, they love it, then they continue using it month after month. And I can tell you now, a lot of these different softwares will offer a free trial without a doubt. I mean, this one over here, they've got freemium. This one here, look, you can see $29. They've got a free trial. We've got this one. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this one here, this Add Creative AI, and I'd just do the same process. So I'd go over to Google, like so. I would, I'm on the website here, sorry. This is the website. Scroll down and see if they have an affiliate program, which I'm sure they will do. Yeah, look, affiliate program over here, so I can sign up and become an affiliate for this. Pretty good. The next step is I'm going to do this. I'm just going to paste that in again. Oh, I'm going to type in. Let me get rid of that, sorry. I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to paste this same search into Google. So I'm going to type in Add Creative AI and have a look at this. Now I can see here, look at that, 2,900 people a month are searching for this AI software. Scroll further on the page here, we can see, look, AI generated ads, 320. Add creative examples, 260. This one, So again, what I would do is I would sign up to the affiliate program. I would then use keywords everywhere to come on here and literally get these different keyword ideas. And then like this one here, look, add creative examples, add creative AI affiliate program. This one, I would just do a YouTube video for all of these different search terms down here. And then I would put a link down below saying, if you want to go ahead and try this out completely for free, click the link down below. And here's the cool thing. As people are trying out this software and giving it a go, and what we've learned from the beginning part is these are all, as you can see here, monthly recurring payments, and the payments what they will pay you will range anywhere from 20% up to 50%. But the method is obviously we're doing the work once and we're earning a passive income. I highly recommend it. And AI, obviously, it's on everyone's lips at this moment in time. Lots of people are talking about it. It's not going anywhere. It's a great way for you to get your foot in the door and start generating a passive income. So that's today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.